Hi Cancer, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we will be looking at your energy starting from 15th till 21st of November. In this video we will be looking at your past, present and future energies. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours, okay? So let's get started with my reading for my Cancers. 15th till 21st of November, Sun, Moon, Rising in Venus sign. 15th to 21st of November, Sun, Moon, Rising in Venus sign for my Cancers, please. If you want to book a reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below. So you can DM me over there if you want, okay? Let's see, Cancers. What's going on with my Cancers? At the back of the deck, we have the Chariot. So this is strong Cancerian energy. Okay, Cancer. So this is more like your energy, more like you. You are behaving like yourself. And you are more into going forward. You know, it's no time to go backwards now. It's no time for you to go to see what's going on around you. You are not in that zone where you are really, you are really focusing on the past. You are focusing on the present and your future now. So this is how. Okay, so in the past we have 6 of Pentacles, Page of Swords and 8 of Cups. Yeah, I think you have dealt with the past issues, whatever there was. There was strong problems in relation with love. So I feel that you have left all that emotional detachment which you felt at some point. This could be you or your person, whosoever this was, but there was strong emotional detachment from one person and you left it. It could be like a situation where you gave a lot in that situation. You invested a lot of energies, but you didn't get in return the same love or the same energy which you invested. Okay, yeah, it looks like same like that. But I feel that there is moving on, strong moving on, which has already been started in the past. Definitely. At present, we have Ace of Cups, Temperance, and 3 of Swords. I feel that there is somebody new in your life. But with that new energies, I see the Temperance. So this is more like a balancing energy with the past. So you might be seeing somebody new, or you might be seeing new but still not dealt with the past already. It's like, not a completion from the past energies yet. So you have still that thing in your mind that this person has left me, or this person did not give me the amount, as I already told you. There's a strong feeling of hurt which is seen in at present. We will clarify what this is about. Your present energies are little. We will see. In the coming future, we have the Devil, 4 of Swords, and Queen of Pentacles. So this is definitely somebody who is coming towards you. This is but I feel some toxic energies as well around it. Either this is a past person who is forming this kind of a clumsy situation around you, or this could be your inner energies which might be a little bad. We will clarify what exactly this is about. Let's clarify your reading now. Okay, Cancers. For my Cancer, what's going on? Tell me more about the Chariot, please. Tell me something about the Chariot energies in the overall reading. Okay, so we have 10 of Cups, 9 of Cups, and the King of Swords. Wow. Okay, so this is like you might be doing some manifestation therapy, or you might be into something which you are showing more gratitude to the universe, where you are really looking towards the positives. Although your mind is being really practical at this time, but you still are focusing on the positive things. Your mind is more about what's going to happen around you. Things or people might be showing some betrayals, you are seeing that thing as well, but still at the same time you are showing gratitude, like whatever the thing is there, no matter how much problems I am seeing, I'm focusing towards the positive situations in my life. This is a very positive thing which you are actually working on, because you know from inside that things will happen. Okay, bad or good, negatives or positives, everything will come in your life. So you have to accept everything, whatever the universe is sending, whatever energies the universe is sending to you. Tell me this page of swords. Tell me more about this page of swords energy in the past. What about this page of swords? Page of swords energy, please. Four of swords, the high priestess and the moon. Okay, so this is definitely a past issue which you were thinking about. This is more like a process of healing. You were in a kind of depression or in kind of not anxiety, but yeah, it could be something where you were resting period, or you were like in a healing period, and you really needed that thing in the past. And but they were stalking also, from somebody. Either this person was stalking you, either this person was knowing everything that you were going through, but still they managed to leave, or they chose to leave. They knew that everything is happening with around you is not good. There was something fishy as well with the moon and the high priestess together in your reading. It was like things were not exactly the way they seemed. Something was hidden, definitely. Strong black energies I'm getting over here. Dark cards are coming up, but you somehow managed to leave the situation. You left it like it was your choice. Priorities changed. Let me clarify this Eight of Cups. Tell me more about this Eight of Cups. What was this? Before that, I want to know, what was this thing about? What is this situation we are talking about? What kind of hidden situation was that? I will not take this card, but yeah, Page of Swords is again, but I will not take it. But yeah, definitely there was a person. Either if this is love reading, definitely there was a person also involved, like a third party situation involved in your past energies. Tell me more about it. The sun. Yeah, I see three people. I see three people over here. Although the sun energy is very positive, but I am really getting strong energies of somebody who was in confusion. This person was confused what to do, which one to choose. There was like tempting things also, like, oh my god, there are too many situations, there are too many things in front of me, so whom should I choose? So they chose somebody else in front of you, and I think that you walked away from that situation then. Yeah, that is the Eight of Cups energy. Tell me more about the Eight of Cups, please. Tell me more about the Eight of Cups. King of Wands, could be an Aries. Knight of Pentacles, Taurus. And Two of Swords. Okay. Yeah, this person was in a situation where they got confused. They were not able to see the real truth, who the real person is for them, and they chose to leave. Although you also chose to leave the situation, and you took, basically what exactly happened, this person was dicey. Okay, this person was like, I don't know whether to go back to this person or to move on with the new person I have. But at this time, when all the situations, when the things were getting confused, when the other person was seeming to be confused, you took a step forward and you took a decision for yourself. It's more like, like it's better to plan my energies, my life, my way, and you are not the one who will plan my life. So I'm going to take part in my life, and I will take a decision for myself. So it's not you who are going to take a decision, it's me who will take a decision, and your decision was to go away. Moving away from this person. Moving away for something new, I guess. What is this Ace of Cups? I really am excited, since you are no more there in the past energies, because you yourself chose to leave. So let's see what is this Ace of Cups now. I see that you are showing gratitude a lot, you know. Okay. We have King of Cups, we have Judgment, and Nine of Wands. Yeah, it's like lessons being learned from the past things, whatever that thing is. You are in a position where you like somebody over here, or somebody likes you a lot. Cancers, might be a Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces, yeah, or Sagittarius. But it's like you are defensive in the situation. You are the one who is like, you know, I'm not ready, please just go away from me right now, because I am balancing my energies, I'm balancing my chakras, and I'm not ready to accept this. So I feel the new love is coming towards you, Cancer. Okay, so either it already had come towards you, or it is coming towards you in the near future. But something is coming towards you, definitely. But you are more into your own peace and settlement and balancing mode. I don't see you are accepting, you know, what I told you before, that you are into that gratefulness energy, you are into that happiness energy, where you are more focusing on yourself right now. Wow, very very focusing, very much focusing energies for you, Cancers. I love it. So Three of Swords, what is this with the Three of Swords energy over here? Wow, okay, so we have a Queen of Cups, we have Five of Wands and Eight of Wands. I feel that you do not want to involve into any more arguments or any more fights with anyone now. So this is the reason you might have hurt the person's feelings, okay, in front of you. Okay, so if you are a cross watcher, so you can take it as vice versa, because just take as it resonates, okay. With the Three of Swords and the Five of Wands, I really am getting an energy where I think, Cancers, you have you broke somebody's heart because of your heart broken, you know, because you are heartbroken. Not because only you are heartbroken, because you are more focusing on yourself. You have shifted the focus on yourself from someone else, and that is why you are not giving any more importance, and you are not ready to invest more energies towards anyone else right now. So this is that thing. You might be communicating with somebody, you might be talking to somebody, but the other person looks very charming and looks very much helpful and caring, but I don't see you are getting close to this thing. But what about this Devil energy then? Because this is definitely, this is seduction, this is lust, this is addiction. Let me clarify. Let's see why the Devil energy is here in the future energies for my Cancer, who this person is for my Cancer. King of Pentacles, Empress, and Tower. So could be a Taurus with whom you are dealing with, but definitely somebody who is a nurturer, who really loves to show love. You could be dealing with a married woman or a married man over here. Could be somebody elder to you, but this is a very stable person with whom you are dealing with, okay, and that is why you are very much attracted towards this stable person, like, you know, because we do not like, nobody likes immaturity. So this is a strong attraction, a strong addiction towards a new person in your life, whom you are attracted to, and that is why you feel so much addicted to this person. But why this Tower card is here? I want to clarify this Tower energy, please. Three of Pentacles. You could be dealing with this person in office, okay, in your office or in your job or in your work. Knight of Swords and Two of Wands. Could be, you could be in the same project also. You could be dealing with the person all of a sudden, you know, this person could be your boss or something like that. Must be a senior one, but it looks like you know somewhere that this thing will not continue in the future. You know, you are more attracted towards this person, but it's more like a situation where you are you know that, okay, so it's just for temporary purpose and it's not going to go forever because of the Four of Swords energy as well in your future. So it's like you are going through a process and it will be fine. You know, when this process will end, I'm fine with you. I'm just addicted to you for a little period of time, but it's not going to happen forever. So this could be your energy, this could be a person's energy as well, but this is definitely one person is basically, I see clarity in the situation where you are clear that whatever is happening, it's just temporary, okay, so it's not going to last forever. So you are getting that thing clear with your person over here. Queen of Pentacles energy in the future. Tell me more about the Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, definitely the World, Knight of Wands and Five of Swords. So this is that temporary energy which I'm getting. So might be dealing with a Capricorn or a Sagittarius, but see, it's coming towards completion. So this is like a situation which will not go anywhere. It's more of an attraction, passion, and you know, fire energies. It's that strong, but this thing is coming towards an end only. That's what I am really getting. Okay, so let me take out some cards for you from the Angel Answers Oracle deck. So let's see, think of a question and let's see what are the guidance energies for you from my angel answers towards you. Okay, I'll take out 3 cards, okay? Okay. The first card is meditation brings answers. Okay. So cards are telling you to meditate. In the near future, don't stop. Okay, so don't stop anything like meditation. Okay, don't stop meditation because the answers which you want, you will get it in the near future. So this is the meaning of the 3 cards. Alright, so that is all from my side, my dear Cancers. I hope that helps and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.